Hey everyone, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I'm so glad you guys could make it. Please hit the like button if you don't mind and subscribe if you like what you see. And for today's video, I'm super pumped to be uploading this video because I achieved the most luscious, defined, and voluminous wash and go using a brand new gel. I've never used this gel before. It's from Cantu Beauty. And yeah, we're just gonna talk about the gel and get into the pros and the cons. After I sectioned off my hair, I picked up my spray bottle and I got to spraying because a wash and go is truly nothing without water. And then I used my fingers to detangle the section further in case there were any knots or tangles that I may have missed when I was in the shower. Then I picked up my leave-in conditioner. I decided to use this particular leave-in conditioner because the gel and this leave-in conditioner have a similar density. They're not they're not thick, they're just lightweight, and I felt that they would go really well together, and they really did. They married really nicely, almost like they were from the same company and from the same line. So as I started to define the back of my hair, I started to notice something with this gel. You know, the gel, it was defining, you know, it was definitely, I was seeing my curls, but at the same time, I just kind of felt like it just wasn't the more product I would pack, the more gel I would try to put on in order to get it to define, it really wouldn't do anything. It's almost as if this is the most my hair is gonna define, no matter how much gel I decide to pack on extra. And you know, my hair did define. It looks great, but I just felt like it took me way too long to get there. And even then, I still had to finger coil some parts because they still were frizzy, you know? So here I was what in the world is happening here? So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this long story short and say that I had no idea that when they said flexible hold on the jar, they actually meant light hold. And yeah, it looks like I had to find that out the hard way because this wash and go definitely took me way longer than I needed to in order to get it done. Excuse me, my wash and goes usually my wash and goes usually take about 1 hour and 30 minutes for me to completely achieve. And I was sitting in this chair for almost 3 hours because I was trying to really get my hair as defined as I possibly could. I was you know what I'm saying? I was working on some sections for upwards of 15-20 minutes because I just kept packing on more gel in hopes that it would define my curls further. But it looks like there's not really an amount of gel that you can pack on. Okay, how do I say this? There's not really, no matter how much you build the gel up, it's still gonna be a light hold because that's just the consistency of it. It's just a light hold gel. It wasn't meant to be a strong hold. It's not a buildable gel. So unfortunately, I had to start finger coiling my hair, the areas that were still frizzy. And I don't really like to do this because I don't really like to mix finger coils and my natural curls together. I just don't really think they mesh very well. But in order for me to not sleep on this chair, that's kind of what I had to do. And this is totally my fault. This has nothing to do with the gel because, you know, they made it clear it was a flexible hold and it was just my brain that was slow and I didn't peep that. But the gel is a good gel. I just think it comes down to different strokes for different folks. For my lifestyle, I'm pretty busy within my week. So whenever I'm done washing and styling my hair, I am hoping for it to last me until I'm ready to wash my hair the next time, which is about 7 to 10 days. But if you're the kind of person that doesn't really mind, then by all means, this gel could be the one for you because it is a really nice gel. Y'all see the curls are beautiful, they're defined, but it's just the fact that it's light hold that's kind of making me feel a type of way. So for me, this gel will be more so for not wash and goes, for braid outs, twist outs, perm rod sets, not necessarily for a wash and go. And that's just because it doesn't just suit my wash and go needs, my wash and go preferences. But if this is a gel that's going to suit your preference, then why the hell not? That's the only bad thing I have to say about the gel. And it's not really a bad thing. It's not a con necessarily. It's just that it doesn't really align with me and my hair. But yeah, so again, you know, using my usual process, spraying the water, applying leave-in conditioner, and then going in with that gel. And it looks like I'll just come back on here to talk to you guys after my hair is already done. And I just want to use this time to please prompt you guys to subscribe, okay? We are a growing community over here. And also, if there's any like types of content, natural hair, beauty, lifestyle, anything that you guys want to see from me, you can let me know in the comments. You know, at the end of the day, like, I made this channel to serve you all. It's not really about me, but it's more so how I can help you guys on your like respective journeys and stuff. So 3 hours later, our hair is finally done, and I love showing you guys what the wet results look like, just because the dry results are so drastically different from the wet ones. And after 24 to 48 hours or so, my hair was 100% dry, because I don't touch my hair until it's 100% dry. And that is another tip. Don't stretch your hair out if it's not fully dry yet. You know, let's not get ahead of ourselves. So I went ahead and stretched my hair out, and I love the look of it even more. My curls looked more natural. They were less scrunched up. They looked so good. And I decided to go in with my pick just to fluff it out a little bit. I was very cautious this time because we are working with the light hold gel. So any small manipulation can really cause some frizz. And even though I was careful, unfortunately, my hair did still produce some frizz on like the right side of my hair. But I mean, it did bother me at first, I'm not gonna lie, because I'm just like, bro, this is only day one and already. But I got over it, because the rest of my hair still looked really good. There was volume, there was stretching, there was length, you know. So I was really pleased with the results. I really liked it. I really liked what this gel did to my hair, even though I still won't use it again for a wash and go, because this wash and go only lasted me about 6 days or so, which is like really not good for me and my lifestyle. But you know, if 6 days is good for you, then sure, go for it. Why not? But yeah, guys, this is kind of the end of the video. Like, these are the results. I mean, I really hope you guys like the video. I hope these results were up to your standard. Let me know in the comments if you are going to try out the gel, or if you already have. I would love to know other people's experiences. And yeah, that's kind of it. Do not forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.